Hello, today we're going to be talking about combining like terms. As a reminder, when you're combining like terms, you can only combine numbers with the same variable. Let's look at some examples and see how this works. So we have 7x plus 15 plus 9x minus 3. And we need to combine like terms. I always just start with whichever one is first. So I have 7x. And then I'm going to circle my other x's. So I have 9x. We've talked about in a previous lesson that the sign goes with the number after it. So we also circle the sign so we know if it's a positive or a negative. Then we'll write the like terms together below. 7x plus 9x. And we'll move on to the next set of like terms. We have the ones with no variables. So I'm going to circle plus 15 and then minus 3. We know that this is a negative 3 because there's the minus sign in front of it. We write these together. Plus 15 minus 3. And now we can combine our like terms. 7x plus 9x is 16x. 15 minus 3 is positive 12. Now we have no more like terms, so this is as much as we can do. And our answer would be 16x plus 12. Let's look at another example. In this example, again, we're going to start by circling our like terms. So we have a 4, and then we have a minus 6, and I'm going to write those terms together below. 4 minus 6. Those are the ones with no variables. Then we have a's. So I'm going to put plus 3a and plus 5a. I'm going to write them together. Plus 3a plus 5a. And then in this one, we also have this plus 4b. Even though the a's and the b's are both variables, they're different variables, so we cannot combine them together. Now we can combine like terms. Our no variables, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. We have our a's, 3a plus 5a is plus 8a. And then we only have one term with a b, so we have nothing we can combine it with, so we put plus 4b. Now, we don't have anything else we can combine, so this would be our final answer. Our problems with combining like terms can also have the distributive property in them. If you remember the distributive property, you multiply what's outside the parentheses by both terms inside the parentheses. So 4 times m would be 4m. 4 times 3 would be 12. I know it's positive because there's a plus sign inside the parentheses. Then we also include what was outside the parentheses, plus 2m. Now we go through our same steps of combining like terms. We have 4m plus 2m. We write those together, 4m plus 2m. And then we have our plus 12. Now I'm going to combine like terms. 4m plus 2m is 6m. And then I don't have any other terms with no variable, so I'll just put plus 12. I've combined everything that has the same variable, so that's my final answer. You can also do this in solving other problems. For example, if I want to find the perimeter of this triangle. Well, if we were just finding perimeter normally, we would add up all the sides. So I have a side that's x plus x plus 3 for this side plus 2x minus 5. I've rewritten it so that I'm adding up all of the sides. Now I need to combine like terms. I'm going to start by circling my x's. I have an x. I have plus x plus 2x. And I'm going to write them all together. X plus 2x. Then I have my terms with no variables. Plus 3 and minus 5. And I'll write those together below. Plus 3 minus 5. I'm going to combine my x's. Remember, if it has no number in front of it, we think that it's a 1. So 1x plus 2x is 4x. And then we have 3 minus 5. That's negative 2. I would show that by putting minus 2. We have our x's and our no variables. So this is as much as we can do, and this is our final answer. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. I believe in you. Have a great day.